Welcome back, my name is Kerry, and today I'm going to show you the Butternut from Ritz-Craft. This is a 1,503 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom manufactured home. I've already toured both of their modulars. They do a little bit of everything over at Ritz-Craft, including commercial, modulars, and manufactured homes. This is my first time in one of their manufactured homes, so let's take a little tour around, go inside, see what it's all about. Shout out to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Squarespace is the website platform for those looking to stand out and succeed online. From the outside looking in, it appears this floor plan is a front living room and kitchen, and they've got the 4, possibly 5-foot covered porch on one side to give this end a little bit of character, which I think it's doing quite nicely. They've got the built-in pot lights coming straight from the factory, which is always nice because you don't want to be messing with electrical after it lands on site. So if you can get something done at the factory, I always say that is the best way to do it. So we've got a second entrance there, probably landing just past the living room. And then I'm guessing we've got bedrooms and bathrooms at the back. So this home has dimensions of 26 feet wide by 56 feet long, and like I said, the listed footprint is 1,503 square feet. I don't think the math is mathing on that, but I'm going with what's shown. Let's duck inside and see what they got going on with this home. Big thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. For anyone who didn't get the memo, Squarespace is the website platform for those looking to stand out and succeed online, which is me. I am one of those people. Up until now, I had been putting off launching a website for a couple different reasons, none of which ended up being valid. Believe it or not, the first reason was I didn't have the domain kerrytarno.com. Nobody did. It was readily available and undervalued in my opinion, but I just didn't take the time to lock it in, which was, I don't know. I ended up picking it up from Squarespace about a month ago for right around 25 bucks. The second reason I've been putting it off is I'm not much of a techie and thought the build would be over my head, but I now know that that's not an issue. It's actually surprisingly easy on their platform. It doesn't matter if you're a content creator, a business owner, or have a cool hobby, a website helps to get the info to the people. Want to schedule appointments? No problem. Accept payment? You bet. Sell a course on tying flies? Absolutely. It's all available and possible with Squarespace. Head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Kerry to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. So as you enter in this door on the end, you land in the living space. They've got the built-in over there, which makes sense to put the TV up above. Panning around, you get the first look at the kitchen. Nice big island right there, easily fitting 4 bar stools. A little bit further on the section across from the covered porch, you've got the dining room. Let's see what they got going on in this kitchen. So stainless steel fridge. They've got full backsplash right up to the bottom of the cabinets. Looks like a gas stove. As far as cabinets go, bank of drawers beside the stove. A little bit of a pantry over here. Let's take a look. Oh my goodness. I was not expecting this. So that opens straight up, and you've got, I think these are called a butler's pantry maybe. I don't know if that's still something people say, but for now we'll go with it. So this opens right up, and you've got almost another little kitchen in here with extra storage. You've got a miniature fridge, like a half fridge here. I was not expecting that. And then they've got the electrical panel behind this door right here. That's pretty cool. Let's close that up. It's kind of like a secret door almost. Cool. So this is the other entrance into the home. Probably the one I would use more often because you've got a place to put your things, and you've got the washer dryer right here. So this is probably the furnace and hot water tank. Yep. So the utility room. Heading down the hall, got a linen closet or a coat closet. This is probably where I would put my coat, actually. They got the vacuum in there. And then the next door on the left is the bathroom. So look at all this. They've got the 2 doors under the sink, nice big vanity with towel storage beside, window that opens, and the standard tub shower unit there. Straight across, bedroom 2. Let's see what we got for closet in this one. How wide we going? Decent, decent. More than enough space for my t-shirt. Going down here, bedroom 3. Seems to be about the same size, but I will bring up the floor plan. And then at the end, right at the back, is the main bedroom. Let's check this out. So, window on one side of the bed, and then over here towards the ensuite. So this is actually just the light. That's not a blemish in the paint. Double sinks in here. I've got the toilet there, and they've done a walk-in shower with black tile that I think looks pretty cool. Linen closet right there. Last space in the house is the walk-in closet that I haven't been in yet, so let's see how they did this up. We've got shelving for shoes, and then you can hang all your stuff around the outside, like your pants and your dressy shirts. Let's head back down, get one more look at the living space and kitchen. Then I'm going to bring up the floor plan so you can have a look at that. And finally, I'm going to head outside, wrap this thing up. Here's a look at the floor plan, and this is a perfect opportunity for me to clarify why the math wasn't adding up when I mentioned the dimensions earlier in the video. I said 26 wide by 54 feet long, but what I didn't take into account was that's on the short side, the side with the porch. The longer half of the home is 60 feet long, and that means it's a 6-foot porch. So there you have it. I was close-ish. Favorite features on the Butternut Ranch are the 6-foot porch on the front and the walk-in pantry that caught me off guard. I never really know how long people want these floor plans on screen, so I'm going to leave it here for a few more seconds, and if you need more time than that, hit the pause button and take as much time as you need. Okay, thanks. All right, there you have it, the Butternut, a 1,503 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home from Ritz-Craft. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.